Welcome back, students. In our today's class, we are going to discuss conjunctions. That is chapter 10 of our International English Olympiad workbook. So, let us begin. First, what is conjunction? Conjunction is a word that is used for joining other words, phrases, or sentences. So, what is conjunction? Conjunction is a word that is used for joining other words, phrases, and sentences like and, but, or, either. Okay, all of these are known as conjunction. So let us begin with the chapter. Now, fill in the blank. First, we have fill in the blank with suitable conjunction. So we have to choose the correct conjunction for each word. Okay, each sentence. Let us begin. The children played in the park. Dash. It was dark. So the children played in the park. What will be the correct conjunction here? Dash. It was dark. Till it was dark. Till it was dark. Okay. Sheena is 9 years old. Sheena is 9 years old. Dash. She studies in class 5. Okay, Sheena is 9 years old and she studies in class 5. So, for this sentence, the option B and is the appropriate conjunction that goes here well. So, we should be marking this. We should be choosing this option. Jatin has not come. Question number 3. Jatin has not come. Uh, Dash has he sent any message? Jatin has not come, nor he has sent any message. Nor means he didn't have send any message, neither he has come. So Jatin has not come, nor he has sent any message. Question number 4. Mohit lost the match. Mohit lost the match. Dash. He is happy. Question number 4. Mohit lost the match, yet he is happy. Although he has lost the match, but he is happy. The meaning of this sentence would be Mohit has lost the match, yet he is happy. Do you work? Dash keep quiet. Do your work? Dash keep quiet. Do your work or keep quiet. Shalini went out. Dash it was very hot. Shalini went out because it was very hot inside. Sonu became happy dash he saw his uncle with lots of chocolates. Okay, so our options are and, but, so, when. So for question number 7, our answer would be when. Sonu became happy when he saw his uncle with lots of chocolates. Question number 8. My grandmother enjoys good health dash she is very old, though she is very old. My grandmother enjoys good health, though she is very old. Yesterday it was my birthday. Yesterday it was my birthday. Dash we had a party. Yesterday it was my birthday, so we had a party. The hurt bird could hop. Dash it could not fly. Okay, the a bird who is hurt can hop. Okay, but it could not fly. Okay, for question number 10, our answer should be but. Option number 1. Option number A. The bird picked up bread dash it wanted to feed its little one. For question number 11, our answer should be because it wanted to feed its little one. Question number 12. Dash he was suffering from fever. He could not appear in the examination. Dash he was suffering from fever. He could not appear in the examination. Since he was suffering from fever. Shamira opened the book. Dash she saw the teacher. Samira opened the book as soon as she saw the teacher. Immediately after seeing her teacher, Samira opened the book. Question number 14. Dash Sheena stood there. She saw ducks swimming in the pool. Hina stood there. So, for question number 14, the answer should be Hina. As Hina stood there, as Hina stood there, she saw ducks swimming in the pool. Question number 15. It started raining. Geeta stepped out. It started raining as soon as Geeta stepped out. Question number 16. Dad's LCD is new. It sounds jarring. Okay, Dad's LCD is new. Although LCD is new, its sound is jarring. Question number 17. There will be destruction. People are not careful. There will be destruction if people are not careful. Question number 18. My mother told me to wait. She came back. My mother told me to wait until she came back. Question number 19. The magic show was cancelled. We went to see a movie instead. The magic show was cancelled. We went to see a movie instead. So we went to see a movie instead. 20. No one has left the hall. The show began. No one has left the hall since the show began. Okay, that's all for A portion. Now B. Now we are given here fill in the blanks. What we have to do? We have to choose suitable conjunctions from the these options and put it in the blank. Okay. So, dear Shima, this is a letter. Okay, we have to choose correct conjunction to fill in the blanks from the given options and make this letter complete. I wrote a letter to you last week. There was no response from your side. So for 21, but I wrote a letter last week, but there was no response from your side. For 22, so I am writing this letter. Because I am bit worried that you are either ill or busy with your studies. For 25, there is any problem. 25, even if there is any problem, share it with me. 26, however, I am going to tell you an interesting incident. Yesterday, 27, option number B. Yesterday, while I was going to school, I saw a beggar who was pretending to be blind. But in reality, he was not. A woman gave him a base coin. But he returned the coin. The same coin to her, requesting her not to cheat him even if though he was blind. More on meeting. Yours sincerely, Anita. Okay, so I have marked the correct option here. Like for 21, the option number C. 22, option number D. 23, option number A. 24, option number C. 25, option number D. 26, option number A. 27, option number B. And 28, option number B. 29, option number C. And 30, option number B. That will be the correct order of options. Okay. Now let us move to this part. Choose the correct conjunction to complete each sentence. We haven't met. The school reopened after the winter break. We haven't met since the school reopened after the winter break. Question number 32. The rain, they left for the wedding. Despite the rain, they left for the wedding. My mother had a severe backache. She didn't want to visit the doctor. However, she didn't want to visit the doctor. So option number C is the correct option. 34. You should not react dash you are wrongly blamed. You shouldn't react unless you are wrongly blamed. Question number 34. Now question number 35. I didn't have much lunch because I was not hungry. So option number B is the correct option. Okay, with that we finish our chapter of conjunction. We don't have many things here. It is an easy chapter. Now let us move to tenses. Okay, so in our this chapter 11, that is tenses, we are going to discuss about various tenses. What are tenses? Tenses are in grammar, English grammar or any grammar. Tenses refer to the time of a action, indicates to the time of a action that is happening or that has happened, or that the action that will be happening, action or incident that will take place in the future. Okay, so let us begin. For question number A, we have to choose the correct present perfect tense, present perfect and simple past from the verb given alternative. So to complete the sentences, what we have to do, we have to choose the present perfect or simple past tense. Now what is present perfect tense? Present perfect tense refers to an action or state that has either occurred or at an indefinite time in the past. Okay, what is the formula for present perfect tense? For present perfect tense, the formula is subject plus has or have, subject plus has or have plus past participle form of the verb and the object. Okay, so let us see our questions. Most of the students in my class never dash the USA. Most of the students in my class have never visited the USA. So this is the correct form. Most of the students in my class have never visited USA. Here we are asked to choose simple past form also. Simple past tense basically refers to indicate the things that has happened or existed at a particular point of time in past, and the formula is subject plus past simple past tense and the object. Okay, subject, simple past tense of the verb and the object. So for question number 1, our answer would be most of the students in my class have never visited the USA. Now question number 2, the meeting dash started yet. The meeting has not started yet. Okay. Now question number 3, yesterday I dashed jolly at the swimming. Yesterday I made, simple past tense. What happened yesterday? Yesterday you or I made jolly at the swimming. So the simple past, for what is the formula? Subject plus past tense, simple past tense, not the third form of the verb, second form of the verb. Okay, present past participle. So the second form, simple past and the object. For question number 4, I completely dash about my science test yesterday. I completely forgot, again simple past. I completely forgot about my science test yesterday. Question number 5, the teacher dash us any homework on Saturday. The teacher dash, the teacher didn't give. Whenever you are putting did, the form of the verb should be in the present form. Didn't gave, never didn't given or didn't give, gave will be there. It should always be didn't give. Rumi Shah dash a new song. Rumi Shah has just recorded a new song. Has just recorded a new song. Question number 7. Choose the correct simple past or past continuous form of the verb. Now what is simple past tense? For simple past tense, we have to simple past tense indicate the things that has happened or existed at a particular point of time in the past. Similarly, simple past continuous tense, what it does, it suggests a continuing action or state that was happening in the past, a continuity. It suggests a kind of continuity. Okay, now I think I lost my money while I dash in the park. I think I have lost my money while I was running in the past. So it is past continuous tense. What we are using here? We are using past continuous tense. Was running. He came into the room and dashed down at his desk. He came into the room and dashed down, sat down at his desk. 9. Question number 9. Dash your parents dash in Delhi. Dash your parents dash in Delhi. Did your parents live in Delhi? Did your parents live in Delhi? Question number 10. The light went out while Renu dash. The light went out when Renu was reading. Past continuous tense. Last night my sister dashed to see a movie. Last night my sister went to see a movie. Simple past tense, not continuous, just past tense. Now what we have to do? We have to fill the correct simple past or past perfect form of the verb given in the bracket from the given option. So we are given here a fill in the blanks and we have to choose our answer from these options. Okay, let us begin. Ramya start asking for books even before I know her for a week. Ramya started asking for books. Here started. Ramya started asking for book even when what will be the answer? I had known. Even before I had known her for a week. Had known. Okay. Now the function dash already begun before the chief guest arrived. Okay. Now B means here we have to use a form of V verb. The function for 14, what will be our answer? The function had. The function had already begun before the chief guest arrived. Before the chief guest arrived. Okay. Now Kadir dash to have lunch with me. Kadir for 16. Kadir came. For 16 Kadir came. Kadir came to have lunch with me, but I dash some errands to do. I have had some errands to do. I had some errands to do. So from have it is becoming had. We dash Rubina to the party because she misbehaved with our guest. For answer, the answer will be we didn't invite and had misbehaved. So here did not invite, had misbehaved. Okay, had misbehaved. Okay, just follow these options. I know it is not easy to understand what I am writing, or my handwriting is not easy to read, but I have no other option to show you guys the correct option. Just go through this option. Okay, now question number 20. As soon as Sarla got, as soon as Sarla from get to got her money, she rushed out of the place. She rushed out of the place. Jilmil bought, B-O-U-G-S-T. Jilmil, B-O-U-G-S-T. Jilmil bought the book which she had wanted, which she had wanted, which she had wanted. Okay. Now question number 24. Hardly had I entered, had I entered, hardly had I entered the house when I heard. Okay. So this is our answers. For 12, option number B. For 13, option number C. For 14, option number C. For 15, option number B. For 16, option number B. 17, option number A. For 18, option number B. 19, option number C. 20, option number B. 21, option number B. 22, option number A. 23, option number C. 24, option number D. 25, option number B. Okay, now choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. Have you dash your dinner? Have you had your dinner? 27. The doorbell dash when I wake up. The doorbell dash when I woke up was ringing. 28. Where dash you dash all day? Where have you been all day? Where have you been? Option number C. For 29. We ate all the dessert that my mother had made. We ate all the dessert that my mother had made. Now 30. Dash you dash the exhibition. Did you see the exhibition? Okay. So that's all for our tenses chapter also. In our next class or our next video, I will discuss about other chapters. Okay, that's all for today students. Bye.